Every step I take is like my friend. No heavy burden weighing down my soul. Just the warmth that makes me feel so whole. Ocean calling from across the bay, telling me to come and dance and sway. Every worry floating far away in the arms of this perfect day.
Ayan, Sir Noel De Los Santos. Ayan siya yung order mo. Sound check na natin to. HR1283. Yan o. Yan, bali pangalawa na ni Sir to. Pangalawang order na. Ayan yung mga boss oh. Ayan may tower. Labas muna natin sa box para ma-sound check na natin. Buksan na natin. Yun o. Ayan mga boss yung kasama niyang mga speaker. Yung kanyang ano, pang mid, pang boses. Nalabas na natin. So ayan mga boss, nalabas na natin sa box. Yan, gabitan natin yung ano niya, yung pang boses. Ayan natin. Ayan o. Ayan, next natin ito. Yun o. Tapos isa pa. Yun. So yun mga boss, yung ano natin, HR 1283. Yan. Yan yung ano nya, nagay ng USB, tapos nag-bluetooth na rin siya, saka TWS. Yan, meron na siyang reverb mga boss. So check natin. Okay, power cord. Power. You know. Bluetooth natin. Mode. Ayan mga boss, sound check na natin. Ayun o.
There's a sweetness in the air tonight, moving soft across the land. Every color comes alive, dancing through the open fields. I can feel it on my skin. Oh, it carries me through the valleys and the trees. Oh, it sets me free. This gentle melody, like a breeze through the flowers, touching everything it finds. We've been through the hours, lifting every heart that's heavy, every soul that needs to fly. Let it wash over you. Let it make you. There's a rhythm in the way
let it carry it. Feel the rhythm now. Morning breeze upon my face again. Every step I take is like my friend. No heavy burden weighing down my soul. Just the warmth that makes me feel so whole. Ocean calling from across the bay, telling me to come and dance and sway. Every worry floating far away in the arms of this perfect day. Another bright and sunny day. Another bright and sunny day. Let the music lift you up and say, it's another bright and sunny day. Another bright and sunny day. Another bright and sunny day. Walking slow beneath the clear blue sky. Feel the frequency surrounding us. Sound waves moving like the rolling tide. Peace and let the music lift you up and say, it's another bright and sunny day. Another bright and sunny day. Another bright and sunny day. Grass is running through the earth below. Higher vibrations making spirits grow. Left and right the sounds becomes alive.
Yun o, ayun na mga boss. Ready to pick up na. Yan, pick up natin sa Lalambog. Ayun, maraming salamat kay Sir Noel de los Santos. Yan, pangalawang order ni Sir. Tapos meron sa mga previous. Yan, mic, isang mic na may cord, tapos wireless mic, sa isang Bluetooth speaker. Ayun o. Paldo sa previous. So yun, dito lang tayo mga boss sa Carlos Palanca Street, San Miguel, Manila. 617 Carlos Palanca Street, San Miguel, Manila mga boss. Dito tayo sa showroom ng Tucson-Ra. You know? At pagka bumili kayo dito mga boss, meron kayong matatanggap na freebies. Yan, depende sa mga purchase nyo kung gaano karami. Kaya ito kay Sir, oh. Nasa halagang 18,000 mahigit. Kasi ito yung ano na, freebies. Isang Bluetooth speaker, wireless mic na dalawahan, tapos isang mic na may cord. Yan, may ano na yan, may case pang kasama. Iyon. Iyon, oh. Ayan, mga boss, nakakarga na yung order ni Sir. Bound to Imos, Cavite. So, yun. Mga gustong mag-order mga boss, order lang kayo. Punta lang kayo dito sa showroom.